So, as you can see, it's dark because it's 6:45 at night, and I wanted to show everybody something. Here's the Jeep. The Craftsman's in here. It's kind of hard to see because it's dark in the Jeep. But I went to my friend's house today and picked it up. So took it all apart, shoved it in the back, and I can't find the ignition. And put it in the back, and got stuck in the back, and I'm going to take it apart. I'll take it out and then put it back together. So, cut right now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so, open up the back. There it is. It took me about 40 minutes to take it all apart. I had to take the dash off and stuff. So, yeah, let's get this thing started. Well, taken out, I guess. There you go, it's out. It took me about 7 minutes, which is a lot quicker than it took me to disassemble it. But so I'm out of breath. This thing's heavy as shit. But as you can see, I removed the center plate here that goes around the shifter and the dash piece, and took the steering wheel and the console and stuff off because this had to, the steering column had to turn down and fold flat. And as you saw, with me putting that tire and that tire on, which is I lost the key for that, but I have more. But I had to take the tires off because of the stupid fucking deck engagement lever. Unlike my other one over there in the dark that you can't see, it's like wrist welded on and it's really complicated and shit. So I just took the tires off and leaned the entire fucker sideways and it cleared it, so that worked. But this thing's pretty ghetto. Got the 18.5 industrial commercial platinum intake, and if I remember correctly, this shield didn't go on right, but oops. Well, it's beautiful. I'm gonna have to fish that out. But it had to be started with starting fluid because we couldn't get to kick. I don't know if it's because that battery's dead or something, but I got to redo the wiring on it. And well, I'll probably do a video tomorrow on it when I come out and play. So yeah, it's out. I'm gonna push this thing the rest of the way in, close up, and go inside and pat myself on the back because this fucker's heavy. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.